the Arken Transcend Backpack, designed for work, commute, and travel without unnecessary bulk. It has around 26 liters of capacity, and when you expand the roll top, it goes up to 37 liters, giving you space for your laptop, daily gear, and travel essentials comfortably. You get a roll top for flexible storage, quick access pockets for daily items, and a hidden back pocket for valuables. There's also a front zipper that lets you access the main compartment directly, so you don't always have to unroll the top. Inside, you have two zippered pockets to secure important items. Plus two padded slots, one for your laptop and another for a tablet or a smaller device. Well protected and secure, easily approach. If you're traveling with a tripod and a long folder tube, you can easily secure them in the right side pocket using the built-in compression strap. This keeps everything protected, stable, and ready for the road. And for the shoulder straps, they are padded at 1.6 cm thick and 6.5 cm wide, designed for balanced comfort with breathable air mesh to reduce heat. And the back panel is also padded for support, airflow, and added protection for your gear. It comes down in two versions, the Black Edition and the Core Edition. Same design, same function, the difference is in the details. The Black Edition features an orange interior for better visibility, a waterproof zipper for added protection, while the Core Edition comes with a gray lining for more understated look and uses a smooth everyday zipper, simple, reliable, and practical. Both versions are water resistant, meaning they handle rain splashes from the front and the back, though they are not fully waterproof like a dry bag, so for daily commute, travel, or unexpected weather, you are covered. In the end, it comes down into personality, bold contrast or clean minimal. Either way, move with purpose.